Man, I love bow ties. Hi Trailblazer, how you doing? Wow, this camera actually picks up pretty good when it's dusk. It's actually really dark out, but the camera's picking up a lot. Well, I thought I'd give you guys a little update on my Trailblazer. Somebody asked me, I forgot who it was, but somebody asked me about these rims. I got these rims with the tires on Craigslist for I think 500 bucks. Came a four set of rims and the set of tires along with them. Very good condition. $600 tires at least. Yep. Craigslist. 500 bucks. But I also put HIDs in. There you go. Super bright, just like the Corvair and my bike. Here's my bike. But it's raining. Thought I'd give you guys a little update on my Trailblazer. Don't show the license plate. Just kidding. LED. I gotta replace some LEDs over here. These right here. I have to replace those. And this one. Oh, sorry. That one. It twinkles too much. Doesn't stay lit. But I thought I'd give you guys a little cold crank. Got glow plugs. Yep. Oh, turn this crap down. We get wipers. Alright, let's crank her up. Crank her up! Oh yeah. There. Get on the wet pavement. See if you guys can give me a rubber up. Rubber up! It's only a little taste. Got LEDs. Yeah, we got LEDs. Oh. Yep, I got all LEDs in here. Some of them are blown. There's a strip in there that's blown. And then there's one right there that's blown. Come on, why aren't you going? See? This one's blown. There you get a new one. Yep. All HID should be on. See, I'll show you what I mean by blinking. Not on. Yeah, well. Oh! The front of this truck is bright at nighttime, let me tell you. But off to my buddy's house. And yeah, go off to my buddy's house and play with a little bit of Go play with Corvair stuff. I just saw that light blink. There it is. You saw it? There it goes again. See, it's not supposed to blink. It's supposed to stay lit all the time. I got the lights on order. These are LEDs. Those are LEDs. Those are LEDs. Those are LEDs. And my camera's getting wet. So, I'm gonna crank this baby up here. My back. Alright, let's try not to hit anything. Onward! I got water all over the lens. I gotta clean it now. Let's go work on a race car that needs a motor removed. Alright guys, well, I'll see you in a bit. We'll go play the race car, but that's my Trailblazer update. Good old Chevy. You can't see it. Thinking, good old Chevy. Yep, here's the trailer. And Mr. H. Trailer Mr. H. Hey. I'll give you a little quick update on these guys. Hi, Mr. H. How you doing? Yep, lights came on. Wipers go away. I've been having a bit of a cold, so sorry about the nasally voice. Oh yeah. Nice picture. Alright, I'm gonna take some stills.